Oh, fingers.
In.
Put it in the centre here.
The trike tested our teamwork straight away. It was in pieces, did have a puncture, so yeah, we had to kind of very quickly get to know how we all work together.
You ever put lollipop sticks in your spokes?
No. You make it sound like that's an odd thing that I haven't done that.
Every kid did that.
Yeah, anything goes in the wheels.
Former Royal Engineer Karl's areas of expertise include mechanics and model making. He's been designing and building things since the age of 12.
I've always wanted to knock things together. I think the first thing I ever built was a go-kart, and it's just developed from there. Anything mechanical, that's what I've always enjoyed doing.
But the bearings are now moving.
So what we need is that undoing. And
Where did we find you?
have we got a movable spanner?
Yeah.
Adjustable spanner?
What size do you want? 22? It's getting there, isn't it?
So that's okay now. Look, we want some grease in there, I think. If we could take that off and re-grease it, look, ideally. Now tighten it up slightly.
A bit more.
Until you get the play out of it. Go on, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Whoa.
Is that it now?
This one, that's loose, isn't
That's
it?
that one. Well, it's plain.
Oh yeah, that's the kingpin now, isn't it? That's what's that way.
Right, let's see if we've got this thing working.
Shall we lift it off and
Yeah, let's lift this up.
who's gonna have a go?
I'm quite looking forward to it, actually.
I think Jacob should have a go.
You can really tell the tyre's flat.
Yeah. Might need a bit of air in the back tyre.
Yeah, but it rolls, it pedals.
Yeah.
At least all the bearings aren't seized now.
Are we sorted?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is ready to go now.
We're off to a good start, but we've now got to somehow make this trike look and drive like a car. With only 3.5 weeks left until it's put to the test on the runway, it feels like there's a lot to do in a very short space of time.
Right now it's a frame, it's a skeleton. It feels like we've got our work cut out.
I think we've got a good team and everybody's working to their strengths. I think it's going to work and it's going to be fun. But time will tell, won't it?
We've made a good start with our first reinvention, a 3-wheeled, make-at-home car designed around a reclaimed, recumbent trike.
It's getting there, isn't it?
Yeah, that's okay now.
So now it's time to choose our smaller build and decide which 2 experts are going to make it.